Hey, it's Hannah. At monday.com, we believe in the power of teamwork. Today, I'll walk you through the different types of users available on your account to keep your team connected. Let's get started. This is Amber. Amber runs a baking company and is setting her team up for success on monday.com. As the creator of the account, she's the admin by default. We like to think of admins as super users. They have total control over the entire account and can manage everything from boards to security and billing. Admins can do things like name the account, customize the branding, and manage users. You can add or remove admins at any time from the Users tab. Next up, we have members. These are the rockstar coworkers or employees that make up your amazing team. This is Zoe, the lead baker at Amber's Baking Co. As a member, Zoe can see all information across main boards and be invited to any shareable or private board. Here's a quick rundown on what a member can do. Members can create and edit boards, folders, and items. They can invite other members to a board and item, be invited to shareable or private boards, edit their profile, communicate and add attachments, and so much more. Whew, I could talk about what a member can do all day long. But let's move on to our next user type, viewers. Jeffrey is a delivery driver at Amber's Baking Co. and has been added to the account as a viewer. Like Zoe, Jeffrey can be invited to shareable or private boards and have access to the main board section. However, as the name suggests, he only has the power to view boards and has no editing rights. Good news! You can invite an unlimited number of viewers to your team regardless of your plan type. Last but not least, for standard, pro, and enterprise accounts, we have guests. Amber works with a packaging supplier and has added her point of contact, Oliver, to her account as a guest on a shareable board. As a guest, Oliver can create items, edit and add columns, leave comments in the update section, and more. Because we know how important it is to keep things secure, guests can't see any information outside of the shareable boards they're invited to. And permissions can be restricted to meet the needs of any project. This awesome feature allows you to collaborate with external partners while maintaining security across your account. And that covers it for user types. Check out one of these videos for more on supercharging your team with monday.com.